Robert Kiyosaki says a house is not an asset because it doesn't provide cash flow. Do you agree? Yeah. I disagree. So there are certain investments you make that don't pay dividends every year and never pay dividends. And the only time you get a return on that investment is when you sell that business. So for example, I have friends that have bought professional sports teams and they don't make money from it every year. They hardly make any money. In fact, they only make money when they sell that sports team. It's the same thing with a venture capital investment in every private company ever. You don't get dividends or cash flow from each investment in venture capital. The way you harvest your investment is when it goes public or it's acquired by another company. But those are still assets. And I think your house is the best asset you can ever have because unlike other asset classes or many others, you get a lot of great tax breaks. Buy a house as soon as you can. I had to wait until my 30s to do it just because I had debt and stuff. But it was the best investment you'll ever make because of the tax breaks as well. Yeah.